Here's how you can fix and reform broken plastic parts using a wood burner and some scrap plastic. In this example, I repaired the plastic covers that protect and secure the license plate lights onto a truck bumper. In a couple different places, the plastic was broken off, and as a result, the screws used to fix them to the bumper don't hold well. To see what we're aiming for, here's a shot of one of the sides already fixed. The piece on the right is not broken and it shows what it's supposed to look like, and the piece on the left shows my repair. It's not pretty, but these pieces aren't visible, they just needed to function properly. To begin, I cut off a piece of scrap plastic from an old stereo mounting bracket, and I marked this piece to get a rough outline of the shape I needed. I then cut off and sanded down the extra material. The filler piece doesn't have to be a perfect match, you just need it close enough that you can melt it into shape. After the scrap piece was shaped, I melted together the two pieces, pushing down and forward with the wood burning tip. The melting plastic gives off nasty fumes, so a respirator during this step is a must. If you have any gaps, you can fill them by melting in some plastic shavings. After finishing the front, I flipped it over and melted together the back. At this point, I had completely covered over the screw hole, but I just re-drilled that later. Once the repair piece was fully molded into place, I sanded it down to shape. You can see here that the replacement piece is super secure, even while being hit with the high-speed Dremel. And here's the finished pieces, all repaired and ready for reassembly. Fixing plastic this way isn't necessarily pretty, but it's stronger than glue and you don't have to wait for the repair to dry before working with it.